यहाँ पे फिर से हम 6.3 के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे। आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 तक इसके पहले के वीडियो में हमने सॉल्व किया था। तो 6.3 के क्वेश्चंस 4 से स्टार्ट करते हैं और इसमें फाइंड करना है स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड। 729, 400 और उसके बाद देयर आर करीब 10 पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। So let us start 729 prime factorization करना है तो ones place is 9 so it is not divisible by 2. Next prime is 3 so we have started dividing by 3. So this is 243 again 3 this is 81 3 4 जा 8 3 8 जा 24 3 1 जा 3 again 3 27 3 9 3 and that is 1. Finally we get its prime factor 729. This is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So if we pair them, there is square root. 729 will be 1 3 from here, 1 3 from here, and 1 3 from here. So this is 3 into 3 into 3. This is 27. So square root of 729 is 27. Second part 400. Now if one's digit is 0, so we start dividing by 2 for prime factorization because it is divisible by 2. So this is 200, 100, 50, 25. Now it is not divisible by 2 again. So next prime is 3. It is also not divisible by 3. So next prime is 5. So 5 times, then 5 1 time. Finally we get 1. So this 400 its prime factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So let us make the pairing with this one. So square root of 400, that is 2 from here, 2 from here and 5 from here. So this is 2 2s are 4 5s are 20. So square root of 400 is 20. So this is the prime factorization method. Next is 1764. Third part, its prime factor will be starting this one's place is 4 so it is divisible by 2. So list prime is 2 starting from 2. This is 8, 8, 2. Again one's place is 2 so divisible by 2. 4, 4, 1. Now one's place is 1 so it is not divisible by 2. Next prime is 3. Adding the digit 4, 4, 8, 1, 9. 9 is divisible by 3 so it will be divisible by 3. So 1, 4, 7. Now checking part divisibility by 3. 7, 4, 11, 1, 12. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 9. Now 9 और 4 13 जो कि 3 से divisible नहीं होगा तो next prime 5 है उससे भी divisible नहीं because one's place is 9. So next prime is 7 dividing by 7. So we get last remainder as 1. So here a factor, prime factor of 1764 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So pairing with one pair, second pair, third pair. So square root of 1764 is 2 into 3 into 7. So this is 2 3 ja 6 7 ja 42 is its square root. Next is 4096. 4096 का हमको प्राइम फैक्टर करना है। Again one's place is 6 so starting from 2 because it is divisible by 2. So this is 2 0 4 8. Again it is divisible by 2. So 2 1 0 2 4. Again divisible by 2. So 2 5 1 2. Again divisible by 2 2 5 6. Again divisible by 2. So 1 2, 8. Again divisible by 2, 6, 4. Again divisible by 2, this is 3, 2. Again divisible by 2, this is 1, 6. Again divisible by 2, 8. Again divisible by 4, 2. So this is 2. Finally we get 1. So all prime factors are 2 here. 4096 के सभी फैक्टर्स जो हैं प्राइम फैक्टर वो सिर्फ 2 हैं। तो अगर हम इसको प्राइम फैक्टर के फॉर्म में लिखें 4096, so that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now pairing them, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, 6. So finding its square root. So 1, 2 from here, another 2 from here, next 2 from here, one more 2 from here, next 2 from here, and last 2 from here. So we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 6 times. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. So its square root is 64. यहाँ से इसका स्क्वायर रूट हमको 64 मिलता है। So next is 7744. Fifth part is 7744. 7744 इसका प्राइम फैक्टर करना है। One's place is 4, so it is divisible by 2. Starting from 2, this is 3, 8, 7, 2. Again one's place is 2, so divided by 2, 1, 9, 3, 6. Again one's place 6, so divisible by 2, 9, 6, 8. Again one's place 8, so divisible by 2, 4, 8, 4. Now again one's place 4, so divisible by 2, 2, 4, 2. Again divisible by 2, 1, 2, 1. Now it is not divisible by 2. So let us come to the next prime, that is 3. Taking divisibility by 3. So 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. It is not divisible by 3. Next prime is 5. Again it is not divisible by 5 because one's place is 1. Next prime is 7. It is again not divisible by 7. It is not divisible by one's place is that is 1. So sum of the digit is only 4. So it is not divisible by 9 also. Next prime is 11. So it is divisible by 11 because 11 square is 121. So this is 11. And again it is divisible by 11. So this is 1. So this is the prime factorization of 7744. Now writing in the form of prime factors. 7744, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. So making pairs, pairing by 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, this is 4th pair. So square root of 7744 is 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 from here, next 2 from here, third 2 from here, and 1 11 from here. So this is 2 to the 4 to the 8 and 11 8 the 88. So square root is 88. So this is prime factorization. Next number is 9604. इसके प्राइम फैक्टर हमको करने हैं। So one's place is 4, so starting from 2, this is 4, 8, 0, 2. One's place is 2, so again it is divided by 2, 2, 4, 0, 1. Now it is not divisible by 1, 2 because one's place is 1. Taking for 3, 3 के लिए divisibility is 4, 2, 6, 1, 7. 3 से भी नहीं है, 5 से भी नहीं है, 7 से अगर हम डिवाइड करें तो 7 3 21 और फिर 3 30, 7 4 28, 7 से डिविजिबल है ये, वी कैन डिवाइड इट, 7 3 21, 3 30 हो जाएगा, 7 4 28, 2 21 ये हो। अगेन इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 7, तो 7 4 28, 6 7 9 63, again divisible by 7, so this is 7, again divisible by 7, finally we get 1. So we have its prime factors. Prime factors are 9604, that is 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, pairing them, making the pair, one pair, second pair, third pair. Now the square root of 9604 is 1 2 from here, 1 7 from here, and 1 7 from here. So this is 7 2s are 14, 14 7s are 98. So its square is 98. Square root is 98. Next number is 5929. 5929. Now its ones place is 9, so it is not divisible by 2. So next prime is 3, divisibility of 3, 9 to 11, 11 9 20, 20 and 5 25, it is not divisible by 3, also not divisible by 5 because ones place is 9. 7 next prime है, तो 7 8 जा 56, 3 32, plus 7 4 जा 28, 4 और 49, yes it is divisible by 7. So starting from 7, so 7 8 जा 56, 3 32, 7 4 जा 28, 4 49, 7 7 जा 49. Again dividing by 7, because if 1 7 is there, next 7 means पेयरिंग होती है, तो एक अगर 7 है तो दूसरा 7 हो रहा है, तो नेक्स्ट 7 को हम ऐसे डिवाइड कर देते हैं 1 फिर 1 14 2 टाइम 1. Now it is not divisible by 7 again, 7 से डिवाइड करने पे नहीं होगा. Next is prime factor is 11 because it is also not divisible by 9. So this is 11 and 11 finally we get. So we get its prime factor. So prime factor of 5929 is 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. So pairing them, we get two pairs. So square root of 5929 is 7 into 11. 1 7 from here and 1 11 from here. So this is 77. So square root of 5929 is 77. Next number is 9216. Now one's place is 6, so it is divisible by 2, starting from 2. So this is 4 6 0 8. Again 1 2 is there, so another 2 will be there. So 2 3 0 4. Again one's place is 2 4, so it is divisible by 2 1 1 5 2. Again divisible by 2, so this is 5 or 7 and 6. 2, so this is 2 8 8. Again 2 1 4 4. Again 2, this is 7 2. Again 2, and this is 3 6. Again 2, this is 18. Again 2, this is 9. And now it is not divisible by 2, so this is 3. Next prime is 3. 3 से divisible है, so finally we get 1. So we got the prime factors of 9216. This is 8th part of the 4th question. There are 10 parts. So 9216, its prime factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 factors of 2. 2 into 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 2 and 2 factors of 3. So 3 into 3. Pairing them. 1 pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair and sixth pair. So square root of 9216, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 2. 1 from here, 1 from here, second from here, third, fourth from here, fifth from here, and 1 3. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 36, 16 to the 32, 3 the 96. तो 96 जो है स्क्वायर रूट हो गया 9216 का. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 529. 9 पार्ट. Now it is not divisible by 2 because one's place is 9. So checking for 3. 3 key divisibility test. 9 to 11, 11 5, 16. So this is also not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5. One's place is 9. So dividing by 7. 7 7 ja 49 and again 4 49. Yes, it is divisible by 7. So 7 7 ja 49, 4 3. So not divisible by, it is not divisible by 7 also. Next prime is 9. It is not divisible by 9 again because sum is 16, which is not multiple of 9. Next 11. So 11 4s are 44 and then 8. We get 89, 88, 89. So not divisible by 11 also. 13. So 13 4s are 52. Not divisible. 15 से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. 17 अगर हम देखें 17 से डिविजिबिलिटी इसकी तो 17 3 51 नहीं होगा. फिर नेक्स्ट 9 19 19 2 38 38 14 149. So what is the number divisible by 8? Yes, think about that. I think 23. If you divide by 23, multiply them. Yes, it is divisible by 23. So again you get 23. So 1. अब देखिए यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मतलब हमने 2 से स्टार्ट किया चेक करना. This neither divisible by 2, 3 prime numbers 5, 7, 9, 11. 9 is not a prime number. 11, 13, then 17, then 19, then 23. मतलब इतने चेक करने के बाद ये 23 आया है तो 23 प्राइम है तो इसके फैक्टर हो जाएंगे 23 into 23. So its square root will be 23. So in some question it is smaller. If you are knowing its square root you can write, but you have to find it by prime factors. So only one prime factor is there. So 5, 29, this is 23 into 23. So square root of 529, 1 of the 23, this is 23. Now next is 8100. One's place is 0, so it is divisible by 2, starting 4, 0, 5, 0, again 2, 2, 0, 2, 5. अब ये 2 से divisible नहीं होगा. One's place is 5. If we check by 3, 5 to 7 to 9, so it is divisible by 3. So 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, 3 5 are 15. Again divisible by 3. So 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15. Again divisible by 3, 3 7 are 21, 3 5 are 15. again divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now not divisible by 3. So 5, 5, this is 1. So prime factor of 1800, this is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So pairing दें 2 का पेयर, 3 का पेयर, 3 का पेयर, 5 का पेयर. So square root of 8100 is 2 into 2, 1 2 from here, 1 3 from here, 1 3 from here, and 1 5 from here. 3 3 are 9, 2 5s are 10, so 9 into 10, that is 90. So its square root is 90. So finally we have solved 10 parts of this question number 4. So one more question in this video we will include, because already it has taken I think 15 minutes to solve this fourth question. So fifth question में भी इतने सारे पार्ट हैं. For each of the following number, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so often. हम देखिए यहाँ भी 6 पार्ट हैं, तो इसमें भी हमको थोड़ा समय लगेगा इस क्वेश्चन में भी. First is 252. अब इसमें हमको किस नंबर, it is not a perfect square because its ones place is 2. So what should smallest number should be multiplied to make it perfect square, and we have to find the square root of that also. So first prime factorization is काम करते हैं. Ones place is 2, so it is divided by 2. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 6. Again, ones place is 6, so divided by 2. So this is 6, this is 3. Now it is not divided by 2 because ones place is 3, it is divided by 3. So this is 2, this is 1. Again it is divided by 3, so this is 7. So this is 7, 1. So its prime factor is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now pairing में 1 pair, 2 pair, लेकिन इसका पेयर नहीं बन रहा. 7 is a single factor. 7 का एक ही फैक्टर है, and to make it perfect square we have to multiply it by 7. So to make it perfect square we have to multiply it by 7. अब हम 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा ये? So in that case 252 into 7, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. यहाँ पे हमने 7 मल्टीप्लाई किया. अब ये सबके पेयर्स यहाँ कंप्लीट हो गए, और ये हो गया 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35, 1 36, 7 2s are 14 और 3 17, 1764. This is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So pairing again. So we get square root of 1764 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. That is 2 3 are 6 7 are 42. So the number square root of that perfect number square is 42. So in this way we find the missing number to make its perfect square. Next is 180. Again we need its prime factor. Prime factors, one's place is 0, so divisible by 2. 9 and 0, again one's place is 0, divisible by 2. 4 and 5, now it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3 because 4 and 5, 9. So this is 15, divisible by 3 again, this is 5. And again divisible by 5, we get 1. Now here missing factor is 5. अगर इसमें एक और 5 होता है इसके फैक्टर में, so this was a perfect square. So writing it in perfect factor form, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here, this pair is completed, but there is one 5 which is missing. So we have to multiply it by 5. Now multiplying both sides by 5, 180 into 5. This is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now it's pairing is completed. This is 900. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now pairing them. So 2, 3, 5, 5. So square root of 900 will be 2 into 3 into 5. So this is 6 5 is 30. So its square root is 30. So we have to find that missing number जिससे हमको मल्टीप्लाई करने पे पेयर बन जाता है, जो सिंगल फैक्टर है या जो ऑड नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर है, हमको उसके इवन बनाने के लिए मतलब पेयर बनाने के लिए हमको वो नंबर जो मिसिंग है वो मल्टीप्लाई करके उसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाना होगा. नेक्स्ट इज 1008. 1008. अब 1008 है, इसका प्राइम फैक्टर करना है हमको. वंस प्लेस इज 8, दिस इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 2, 5 0 4, अगेन डिविजिबल बाय 2, सो 2 5 2, डिविजिबल बाय 2, 1 2 6, अगेन डिविजिबल बाय 2, so 6 4, again divisible by 2, so this is 3 2, again divisible by 2, 1 6, this is again divisible by 2, 8, again divisible by 2 4, again divisible by 2 2, again divisible by 2, that is 1. So all its prime factors are 2. अब एक बार फिर से चेक कर सकते हो. दिस इज 504, अगेन 252, अगेन 126. दिस इज सॉरी, yeah, there is mistake. This is 63, not 64. 63 divisible by 3, 2 1, again divisible by 3, 7 divisible by 7, 1. So its prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, sorry, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now पेयर इसका भी कंप्लीट हो रहा है, इसका भी कंप्लीट हो रहा है, इसका भी कंप्लीट हो रहा है, लेकिन इसका कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है. तो अगर हम एक 7 इसमें मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. By 7. 1008 multiplied by 7. यहाँ पे 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. अब ये 7 का जो है पेयर बन जा रहा है, तो 2 का भी पेयर, अगेन 2 का पेयर. अब ये हो जाएगा 7 8 जा 56, 56 हो गया 0 7. तो 7056 का स्क्वायर रूट 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 हो गया. 7 3 जा 21, 2 जा 42, 2 जा 84. तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट हो गया 84. नेक्स्ट इज 2028. 2028 नंबर है नेक्स्ट. 2028, making its prime factor. One's place is 2 8, so divisible by 2 1 0 1 4. Again it is divisible by 2, so 5 0 7. Now it is not divisible by 2 because one's place is 7. So let us check for the 3. 7 और 5 12, जो कि 3 से डिविजिबल है, so it will be divisible by 3. So this is 1 2 20, 3 6 are 18, 2 27, 3 9s are. Again 6 9 15 1 16 not divisible by 3. So next prime is 7. 7 से divisibility check करें हम, तो 7 to the 14 2 29 not divisible. Next prime is 11. So 11 1s are 11. 5 59 not divisible. So next is 39 thing, 13 13 1s are 13 and 3 39 13 3s are 39. So this is 1 31. So its prime factor are 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. So 2 का भी पेयर बन रहा है, 13 का भी पेयर बन रहा है, 3 मिसिंग है। अब 3 मिसिंग है, अगर इसमें 3 होता तो हम इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बना सकते हैं। तो इसका मतलब हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा इसमें 3 से, 1 3 to be multiplied. So we have to multiply it by 3. So we get 2028 into 3. This is 2 into 2 into 3. 1 3 हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया into 13 into 13. अब इसका भी पेयर बन गया, इसका भी पेयर बन गया, इसका भी पेयर बन गया। Now square root of 3 8 जा 24, 3 2 जा 6 2 8 0, 3 2 जा 6084। यहां से एक 2 ले लिया, फिर ये दूसरा 2 ले लिया, सॉरी 3 ले लिया, और फिर यहां से 13 ले लिया। तो 2 3 जा 6 और 13 6 जा 78, तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट हो गया 78। नेक्स्ट इज 1458। Fifth part is 1458. For prime factorization, 1458. This is 2. This is 7, 2, 4. अगर हम इसको डिवाइड करें तो सॉरी 7 फिर 2 9. Now 7 2 9 9 18, which is divisible by 3. So 2 4 3 again divisible by 3. So this is 8 1 divisible by 3. 2 7 divisible by 3. 9 divisible by 3. 3 divisible by 3 1. So its prime factor is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So making the pair, ये 3 के सारे पेयर्स बन जा रहे हैं, but 2 is missing there. अगर हम 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाएगा। सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 2। हमको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। So this is 1458 into 2. यहां भी हमने 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 हो गया। अब पेयरिंग करते हैं, तो इसका पेयर इसका पेयर इसका पेयर सबका पेयर खत्म होता है, मतलब कंप्लीट होता है। यहाँ आ जाएगा 2 8 जा 16, 2 5 जा 10 1 11, 2 4 जा 8 1 9, 2 1 जा 2916 का स्क्वायर रूट। एक 2 यहां से आ गया, एक 3 यहां से आ गया, एक 3 यहां से आ गया, और एक 3 यहां से आ गया। So 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 3 जा 6 3 जा 18 3 जा 54. तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट हो गया 54. So we get the square root 54. One more part is there 768. So 768 is prime factorization starting from 2 because one's place is 8. So this is 384. Again 2 1 9 2. Again 2. This is 9 6. again 2, 4, 8, again 2, 2, 4, again 2, 12, again 2,